Classic polenta is made with corn. But come on, we're VegHeadz. We love trying new stuff. You know what that means? It's time for my
Rain of the Day!
Teff. This tiny brown millet is best known as the main ingredient in Ethiopian injera bread. If you haven't tried it, go get it right away. It's so good. Go get it. But after the show, okay? The world's tiniest whole grain seed. I could plant an acre with what I have in this jar. Look at this. That ain't so Teff, is it? Man, I love trying new grains. Let them be. We want a nice golden brown crust on them. Here's a new parsnip technique for you. Butter basting. The trick is to stay with it. It's kind of like holding a pose. And keep the butter flowing, just like this. Glutamate. It's the Latin word for wow, that tastes great. Meats have it, soy sauce, mushrooms, tomatoes, and Parmigiano cheese. It's like a glutamate explosion in your mouth. Truffle oil. Musky, primal, nothing else like it. Citrus at the end. Earthy, rich bliss. Mm-mm.